Alright, here we got a 2014 Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to reset this maintenance light, or maintenance required light. It's pretty simple. If you're on the odometer, you're going to want to come over here and change it to trip A. If the truck's running, it doesn't matter whether it's running or not, just put it on trip A, turn it off, and you're going to hold this button down and turn the key on at the same time. So, I'll have to pause the video to do it. Should look like a little lines going down. Wait till all the lines disappear. You see that? Then you can put it back wherever you prefer it, and you can start it again, and that light will be gone. If you have stuff here, maintenance stuff here, I'll show you how to clear this. Just click apps, maintenance, and then whatever one you want to clear. I'm doing an oil change, or a tire rotation. If you still have time left, like I have 1,000 miles before I need to actually change the oil, it's not a big deal. You can just click edit and then just click OK, and it'll put the mileage. We're gonna do a tire rotation too. Rotation. If this is expired, it usually says like reset right here. You can just click that. You don't have to click edit, but you can just do the same thing. So I'm doing my oil change a little early, but it's because I'm going on a trip. But anyways, these will be red when they're expired, and green or bluish like you see here when they're still good. But anyways, that's how you do it. Pretty simple. All your second gen Tacomas will be pretty similar or pretty much the same.